All right, what's good, YouTube? As you can see, we're back again with another tutorial. This one's a Pradabagshawty tutorial, and we're going to break this beat down. As always, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe. Show some love to the channel. That way the algorithm begins to work in my favor, and the videos get shown to the people that need these, see these tutorials. So, as always, I hop into a beat. I just get started, make something, and then I just kind of just go with the flow at that point. So I did that, and this is what I came up with. It's definitely got that Pradabagshawty vibe for sure. And so yeah, so let's hop right on into it. So let's get into FL Studio. All right. So we are in FL Studio, and as always, guys, if you guys stick around to the end, I will show you the full breakdown of all the melodies and the VSTs and everything at the end, and we'll go through the full entire breakdown of the beat of the end. But right now we're just going to go over the basic stuff. So here is the first sound that I came up with, the first melody. So let's hear that. All right, very melodic, very kind of different, kind of out there. And got this next one, the background noise here. Let's listen to it solo. All right, and you can already tell, like, with the sounds, I always try to make like upbeat, uplifting type of sounds when I make these types of beats. So let's go ahead and add those two together. All right, and then we're gonna go to our third sound. Our third sound is a bell. Okay, so then we add all three. And you can start to hear it kind of come together, right? So then we've got this sound here, which I just named it variation. I didn't really know what to call it. It's actually an instrument of some sort, and I just didn't know what to necessarily label it as. So let's go ahead and take a listen to this fourth sound here. Right, then let's add all four together. All right, and then the last and final sound, let's go ahead and take a listen here. Okay, and then add all these sounds together, and this is the loop that you get when you add these all these sounds together here. All right, and then now we are going to hop into the instruments and the drums and everything of that nature. So if you haven't already, follow, like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And let's go ahead and hop into these drums. All right, so here are the drums. I actually have two different 808 patterns, but let's just play the drums all by themselves. And let's see what we got. All right, and then we have the second 808. All right, and so pretty much with these 808s and these sounds and these instruments, what basically all you got to do is just add just like a little bounce to it, something that can make your head bob, and then just normal hi-hat, clap, snare, that type of combination. And that's about it. So we're going to throw everything together all at one time so you can hear it, and then we'll go and take a listen to the actual beat. Oh, sorry. So we're going to listen to it all together, and this is what it sounds like. the second 808 pattern. And that's it, guys. So let's go ahead and hop into the song mode and listen to the playlist, and listen to what everything sounds like in the playlist arrangement. So I appreciate you guys that stick around to this point and everything. And I know some of you guys are going to drop off, and I appreciate you guys that stick around for the entirety of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe before you head on out. We're going to hop into this beat and let you guys hear the beat. And then after that, like I always say, for you guys that like to stick around for the entirety of the tutorial, the breakdowns and the cookups, we're going to go over all the melodies and everything of that nature and break all that stuff down too as well. All right, so let's go ahead and hop into the song mode and go ahead and take a listen. Alright guys, and I appreciate you guys that stick around for the whole entire video, and you guys that are going to go ahead and dip on out, I appreciate you guys too as well. Like I say, comment, like, share, subscribe on the way out. For you guys that stick around, let's go ahead and hop into the next part of this breakdown. So I'm just going to go to pattern mode, and then we are just going to play them one by one. I'm just going to pop all the screens up just like I always do in normal fashion as it plays, and let you guys take a look. All right, and let me know in the comment section if you guys got any specific questions or anything like that, and I'll go over all that stuff as well too. All right, so let's go ahead and take a listen. This one doesn't show up the name. I don't know how to bring it up, guys. Maybe that's it. and that's it, guys. That's all I got for you guys. I appreciate you guys that stick around for the whole video. Follow, like, comment, share, subscribe as always. Show some love to the channel. And yeah, drop some comments in the comment section. Leave a like. Let me know what you guys think or what you need more in-depth information on, or a tutorial on, or anything like that. And I'll be happy to make something for you. So yeah, so follow me on my social media. Milan Makes Beats. If I got it, you'll find me. If I don't, you won't. And that's about it, guys. So we'll be back next week with another tutorial, another cook up, another engineering something, or whatever the case is. But we're just gonna stay creative every week and keep making content, man. So that's all I got, and we'll be back next week. Peace.